Lotus blossom don't cry without any sun. Lotus blossom don't cry without any sun. Lotus blossom don't cry without any sun.
Okay, so this is the first video on the channel on the Golf. It's actually coming out after the reveal vid. So after it's going to go, like, I'll put up there the reveal vid, I've seen it already. I'm going to change the battery today on this because it's like totally dead. To the point of, it's so dead where literally, this camera only get one angle lens. The battery is so dead. This is how dead the battery is. Car's unlocked. My light bulbs don't even come on normal. Like, nothing comes on. So it's, yeah, I can't even drive it right now. So we're going to change the battery. I got some other parts to put in, some like service parts and like everything. I got air filter, performance one that is, spark plugs, cam filter, all of them. I got loads of stuff to do. Got mods for the inside as well, so they'll be coming soon as well. Stay tuned, subscribe as well, and with that, and start with the battery then. Okay, so first we're going to need to disconnect the current battery. If the noise, there's radios opposite my house, so they just make too much noise. But yeah, first got to take the cover off, so all this felt stuff. There's these like little hook things that come out, they just hook into the other side of the fabric. Pull that out as well. And once that piece is off, we're going to need to disconnect this part, this terminal, and that one there. Just don't touch them, obviously, you don't want to get shocked or anything. Shouldn't do, but just in case. Okay, so you're going to need a 10mm bit on the end of your screwdriver, ratchet, whatever you use. 10mm is what you use to take them off. Yeah, and then once that's off, just lift it up, obviously. I had to pry one screwdriver underneath just to lift it. Let's just do that. Okay, so once that's off, make sure it's not touching, then you can go to negative. And same process for this one as well. Yeah, my negative is quite tough, so I had to just undo it a bit, and then just whack a screwdriver underneath and pry it up. Just don't be too sharp with it, obviously, don't mess with it. Okay, now so to get the battery out, see down there, that screw just here, you get that out. That's holding this down, so just gonna get that out now as well. Okay, this is the plate that comes out. Make sure you don't lose these two, you need them when you put the battery back in. And you don't want it to fall down the compartment, so yeah. Don't fall down the engine and kill everything. So try and get a battery with a handle, because I struggled with that. It's hard to pick out without a handle. So yeah. Now put your other battery in, back the way the other one came out, your old one came out, same positioning. Okay, so get the middle plate back on, then just put on the positive terminal, and then we go negative after. Be careful now, because it's a live battery, obviously. Be careful. Okay, so my car seems to be working now, the lights seem to come on. So just test to make sure the battery's working. Your car alarm might go off. If it does, just unlock your car like normal. Okay, so once the battery's in place, just put the cover back on. And it goes on like that. So that it joins here and here on that far side. And there you go, battery's done. Now we just got to start up the car, see if it turns on or not. So. That's it, guys. Car's working now. Lights are coming on and everything's coming up correct, all normal. Engine's running. So yeah, I'll show you. I wasn't going to go up to the engine, but it's a cold start right now, so it's a bit loud. But yeah, that's how you change your battery. Yeah, so as you can see, the car's running now. It's all good. All the lights come on in the car, everything's working. And the engine's obviously running, you can see down there. But yeah, like, comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching.